Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for the students of class 6, and our topic is transformation of sentence from assertive sentence to imperative sentence. So dear students, look at the information here. Our topic is written here, transformation assertive to imperative, and this is the topic of your annual term, and this is lecture number 5. Okay, and my mobile number is written here if you need it. Alright, so students, you know what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are the sentence that convey command or request or any instructions. Okay, so to change assertive sentences into this kind of imperative sentence, we have to follow some rules. So look at the board here. I have written the rules here. Number 1. If the assertive sentence is affirmative and the subject is second person, which is you, then the following structure is followed. Okay, so the structure is verb, the main verb V1 plus rest of the sentence. Okay, so here I have written examples. Look, if the assertive sentence is you should finish the work, then you make it imperative like this. First you have to put the base form of the verb, like finish. Okay, here the verb is finish. So the imperative sentence will be started with the verb as the structure. Okay, so finish the work, the rest of the sentence. Okay, so you should finish the work. Imperative is finish the work. Okay, look at the second example. You must obey your parents. Okay, here you can make it imperative like this, obey your parents. Okay, so just start it with the verb and then the rest of the sentence. Okay, similarly, if the assertive sentence is negative and the subject is second person again, then the structure will be do not or don't, then the base form of verb, then the rest of the sentence. Okay, here I have written the examples. Assertive, you should not tell a lie. Okay, then you can make it imperative by putting don't at the beginning, then verb, then the rest of the sentence. So don't tell a lie. Okay, second example, you should not run in the sun. So similarly, imperative sentences, do not run in the sun. Okay, so you see the sentences, imperative sentences will be started with don't or do not, then verb, then the rest of the sentence. Okay, number 3 rule, if the assertive sentence has request, the word request in it, then the following structure will be followed. So in this imperative sentence, the sentence will be started with please or kindly, then the base form of verb, and then rest of the sentence. So see the example, I request you to do it, and the imperative will be please do it. Okay, so first you have to write please, then verb, then the rest of the sentence. Okay, so if I write, then if I say I request you to go there, then the imperative sentence will be please go there. Okay, I hope this is easy. 4 number, if the assertive sentence is affirmative and the subject is first or third person, see, first or third person, then the structure is as follows. Let, okay, you will put let in the beginning. Let, then objective form of subject, okay, see, objective form of subject, then verb, then the rest of the sentence. Okay, if you see the example, you will understand. Assertive sentence here, I must go now. Okay, to make it imperative, you have to put let at the beginning. Let, then the objective form of subject, I. I is the objective form of I is me. So let me go now. Okay, let me go now. Similarly, he should do the sum. Okay, so let him do the sum. So 5 number. If the assertive sentence is negative and the subject is first or third person, then the structure is let plus objective form of subject, then not, okay, then verb, then rest of the sentence. See the example, we should not hate the poor. So see, this is a negative sentence, and to make it imperative, first you have to write let, then the objective form of we, okay, the objective form of we is us, then not, and then the verb and the rest of the sentence. So let us not hate the poor. We should not hate the poor, let us not hate the poor. Alright, so 6 number, last one. If the assertive sentence has never in it, the word never, then you have to change it like this, never plus the base form of verb and the rest of the sentence. So example is assertive, you should never steal anything. Then you make it imperative like this, never steal anything. Okay, so simply you just put never in the beginning and then the rest of the sentence. So students, these rules are very easy, and I hope you will find this lesson very easy and practice it more at home. So see you in the next class. Goodbye.